Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll guide you on how to use the facial recognition time clock in everyday usage. First, please remember that hats and sunglasses cannot be worn while using the time clock. Employees must use a clock that is mounted at the same height as the one they enrolled at to ensure accuracy. To begin, simply tap the touchscreen to wake up the time clock. This will bring up the facial scan button as well as the keypad. If you're using ID mode, select the facial scan icon on the screen. For verify mode, enter your ID number or scan your badge. Once the facial recognition begins, the clock will display a bounding box around your face and attempt to identify you. If you're too close, the box around your face will show red. If you're too far away, the box will turn blue. If there are multiple people in view of the camera, a black box will surround your face. Please reposition until only your face is recognized by the camera. Once you're the correct distance from the clock, the box will turn green and start recognizing you. When successful, the clock will display the main screen with a greeting message that includes your name. Be sure to confirm that the name displayed matches yours. Now let's talk about troubleshooting. In the case of a false positive, where the clock incorrectly identifies you as someone else, select the Not Me button located in the bottom right corner of the screen. The clock will ask if you'd like to report the misidentification. Select Yes, and the keypad will appear. Enter your employee ID as the user who should have been identified. The clock will send an alert to management for reporting and troubleshooting purposes. In such cases, it's recommended that a manager re-enrolls both individuals involved. In the event of a false negative, where the clock cannot identify you despite being enrolled, select the Send Report button in the pop-up window to report that you were not identified. Enter your employee ID as the user who should have been identified using the keypad that appears on the screen. Similar to the false positive scenario, the clock will send an alert to management for reporting and troubleshooting purposes. In this case, it's recommended that a manager re-enroll the employee and they can try again. This concludes our tutorial for the facial recognition time clock.